There he is, people. The beloved, beautiful Rosella, if that's what you'd call it. But my gosh, I've only seen this lovely bird a few times, but when I did, I was impressed. So I hope you liked the video, people. I hope you like it very much. I like you. Hello, my name is Birdie. Very nice. How much? How much you like? You want the $50? What else you want over there, bud? How about we mow the grass? Give you some little worms out there. You want some little worms? Yeah, you want to play? Ah, you're so pretty. How about you do a spin? Big 360. I'll give you some chicken for a 360. Looks like this bird's doing some little nods. Sorry about my unsteady hand. I'm trying the best I can. Let's see if I can get a bit closer. I don't want to ruin the moment. I'm not too sure what this bird is actually, but I like it. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Hello. How you going? Hello, pretty bird. Oh, don't go. Don't go. Oh, don't go. Stay. So pretty. Oh. Babe, come here. What the hell's your problem? Yeah, I'm over here like trying not to scare it away because my missus, she's taking a sweet time, mate. So I'm trying not to scare it off, but look, it's about to go. I can't even hold my hand steady anymore, guys. It's been 3 minutes. Well, I hope you enjoy this video because... Oh my god! It's gone!